All right, today we're in the Pacific Palisades taking a look at this $7.5 million house. This is my favorite of the houses that we've done so far, so I think you guys are gonna love it too. Let's go check it out. Hello.
Hi, Shelby.
Hi. Good, how are you guys?
Good.
So showing the house to me today is Gary Gold, who is kind of a legend in Los Angeles real estate. He actually sold the Playboy Mansion originally for $1 million and then again for $100 million. And also on the tour is Jeff Landreville, who is a real estate agent and also a YouTuber. Well, this is like the coolest house I've ever been in.
I know, right?
So
one of my favorite things about this house is the fireplace.
love it. Love this color of the stone. I see that a lot now and I think it looks so good, so modern.
And there's a couple extra features. See how it's backlit?
Yeah.
And as the sun goes down, that really gets very great.
Oh,
and
yeah.
then it's book matched right down.
Right, yeah.
It is
So it's like the same on each side.
yeah. So they take a piece of stone and they slice it right in half and then they unfold it and that gives that perfect design.
Yeah. That's insane. Do you see that in a lot of houses?
A lot of times
Right.
you don't see this. This is an extraordinary fireplace.
Can never have enough wine storage.
I agree.
Yeah.
And you know, if you're dining, you don't want to go downstairs to the stove.
Yeah,
you want
no.
to be ready to go.
This is cool. I like this light too. A lot of houses in this price range you'll see have two islands. This one is no exception. They look really great. I love the darker countertop they chose to do on this. I like how it matches the fireplace. And the waterfall, like that's really cool. Oh, espresso machine.
Full size freezer and fridge on both sides.
You know it's like a really cool house when you don't know where the freezer is, or the fridge. It's like it could be any of these, yeah.
You live here.
Yeah, it's super sleek. I love this look. Ooh, that's different. That's super cool.
It looks totally like concrete, but it is wood.
Yeah, that totally fooled me. I thought it was concrete. Heading to the right, we have the living area. It's got these awesome floor-to-ceiling window doors that really open it up to the outdoor space. Yard number one.
Yeah.
Mini yard, courtyard.
This is probably a hangout for most watching TV.
Yeah.
This truly has an indoor-outdoor setup. I think you'd like something like this, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah. In LA, you kind of have to have the like doors that just open up to the outside. I feel like without it, it's just like a missed opportunity. And it opens up to the left, to the backyard, and to the right, which has this awesome courtyard. So this house feels very open to the outdoors, which is perfect because the weather is pretty much always great here. And heading into the backyard, it's LA, so of course we've got a pool and a hot tub. This is nice. I like the infinity pool look to it. There's also plenty of space for entertaining or just laying out by the pool. There's also areas to eat outside. The Palisades are pretty popular, so you're not gonna get a huge plot of land, so this is a good sized backyard. And last thing back inside on the first floor is an office, which has these incredible windows. I think if I worked out of here, I would get really distracted by the pool though. At $7.5 million, of course, your house is gonna come with an elevator, so we're just gonna take that to the basement. It doesn't feel sketchy. This is awesome. I mean, why would it? It's like a brand new house, but. All right, so now we're at the basement. This is like the fun part of the house, yeah.
This is the fun part.
Yeah.
Of the house. The best part down here, my favorite, is the screening room.
Love a screening room. A house like this, you just expect that.
Right.
So this is the screening room. It's complete with a bar set up with a bunch of candy and drinks. I mean, how awesome is this setup? Having this in your house, like you would never go to a movie theater again.
Got these really cool panels. Again, he's really into doing those extra things like the backlit.
And also the sound is so good. It's like absorbing the sound. I could do voiceovers in here. And like this just looks awesome. Like just love that. I really like the marble. Like this looks so nice.
Coming from the outside, even though it's a beautiful house from the outside, you never actually think that there's a movie theater in this house. You know what I mean?
That's true.
So when you see it, it's very tall. It's like one of the biggest houses on the street and like newly renovated. Like it's
brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Construction.
Yeah.
New construction for anything that's on this street. So it literally is like the newest like bad boy on the block. And
Yeah.
when you see it, it's like beautiful from the outside, but then when you walk in, you have no idea what to expect.
I feel like I have to make sure these are like of quality for whoever ends up living here. So just gonna test it. We're just taking one for the team. Oh yeah. It should be good.
Do you want like extra testing?
We gotta make sure that videographer has to have one too. We really just have to make sure, you know? Try the gummy bear too, just for safety. The basement really has all the amenities. Aside from the theater, they've got a pretty good sized gym. You can fit a good amount of equipment in here for sure. Okay, wine cellar.
Additional wine storage.
This is massive. You could have
Yeah, it is.
quite a collection. Like keeping it in a cellar like this, it looks cool, but there's actually a function to it.
Oh yeah.
Too,
I mean,
yeah.
It's how you should do it if you're going to be keeping wine for a period of time.
Yeah, it keeps it in the right condition.
Yeah.
Okay. And there's also a guest room down here. This one's really cool because it has an entrance right outside. So it feels very private and it's really big actually. Like this is an awesome room. That's cool. It's like their own little suite.
This is probably the best guest room I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Because it's not just the bathroom and the bedroom and the outdoor access. You have the movie theater, the gym,
They're
and the wine
close.
cellar
They're
all the way down here. So if I came to visit, I probably wouldn't leave this floor.
Totally. They're close to everything that matters
Right.
here. Okay, so we're on the almost top floor.
This is the bedroom level.
Yeah.
So you got a landing here, good place to hang out.
Reason number 395 why I like this house.
Yeah.
The hosting area or lounging areas are completely separated from the sleeping quarters. So it's like amazing to be able to like, if you wanted to shut the party down without kicking everybody out,
Yeah.
you can just come up here. This is your zen spot, your sanctuary where it's like
Totally.
time for bed and everything else. So, and everybody has equal amount of space in between.
That's good. I'm a high maintenance sleeper. If people are like downstairs being loud, I'd be like, not gonna work.
Guest or bedroom number one.
So here's one of the bedrooms on the second floor. All of the bedrooms on this floor, aside from the master, are pretty much the same size. I love this one because it has a balcony with a view to the pool. I just love how the light like streams in this room and you get all this natural light. It's so nice. This is the next one. Again, very similar. They all have a bathroom and a walk-in closet. They're pretty standard sized rooms, and I think anyone would be happy to live in one of these. I like that with all these rooms, the finishes really match. So all of them have very similar closets and bathroom finishes. It's all very cohesive in this house. Cool. So this is the master. Incredible closet.
Isn't that
Just
great?
take a moment for this. So this is the master bedroom. So this room, of course, is the biggest. It has a really awesome flat screen TV, a fireplace, a balcony. On a clear day, you can see the ocean from this balcony, which is really awesome. It's also got this corner window, which I think is really unique. I've never seen that before in a house, and I think it's really cool. And then we have the bathroom, which is actually so cool. It's like bigger than my bedroom at my house. This bathtub is so cool with a view. Love that. I do videos about people moving to LA and they're like, first move to LA, like this is probably the size of your bedroom. So much outdoor space. So this rooftop is pretty insane. It's huge. It's probably like the size of my first apartment in LA. I mean, this is obviously such a great spot for entertaining. It has a really cool view and it also has these nice palm trees up here. It's pretty rare to find a rooftop that's this big, and I think it's such a smart way to use the space. I like this palm tree. Just this one palm tree right here. Yeah, it looks great. Another cool thing I just realized about this house, if you're a YouTuber, there's a bunch of ledges for vlogging. You can just set your camera down. Super handy. Thanks for showing me the house. This house is insane.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Definitely my favorite. I mean, comment below what you guys think, but this is my favorite of all the houses.
Should we write it up?
Definitely, yeah, I'll have an offer over. Might be a little low, but I'll have links to the house below, all of your guys' social media,
Right, yep.
YouTube channels, everything like that. So check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video.